today. We'll try for some bass. The last fishing trip or last couple have been terrible. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'm here with my family, all trying different lures. I'm trying the new crab color Tiddler from McCarthy. And yeah, it's a beautiful evening. Let's hope we manage to get one or two bass and make it even better. I was actually having a look at my collection of lures. I have so many colors. I think one day I'm going to make a video and show you guys how much of different McCarthy lures I have. They work magic. I really enjoy using them. So yeah, let's have a couple of throws and hopefully I'll catch you up on when I hook up with something. Thanks guys. There you go guys. Look at, I got one. Hey, well done. Yeah, you were saying you were throwing too close, huh? How was the fight?
Yo, just took. Like, what the hell? Somebody's coming for me.
Did it take nicely? Did it pull nicely?
Yes, it did.
Oh, well done. Did you done?
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
No.
4, 3.
Wait.
Yo. Got it? Me next. Great.
Yeah, well done. Probably one of the best evenings I've fished in a long time. Just a breath of air or wind, and everything is so quiet. Water is clean, calm. I haven't seen any other fish come out. Just Nikita's one. I don't think we've had any other bites either. But yeah, it's a good evening to fish though. This is what I enjoy about spring. If we catch a couple more fish, it'll be great. It's cooling down nicely. Tomorrow's predicted to be about 18. So it's not blistering hot. It's cooling down quite nicely. Water temperature is still pretty cold. Haven't seen any carp rising or anything. Yeah, hopefully we do get another fish. Catch up with you guys soon. Yeah, Nikita got another one. I saw that. I was like, what are you up to there? Yeah, that's another nice one. They want the lure, Nikita. Let mommy hold it. Can you take a picture?
Right. Hey, how is it gills? Right.
Turn it this way. Right. Take a picture now. Hold it nicely.
It's cutting my finger.
Xander, change to this lure.
Guys, we top changing. Where's my? You just abandoned my rod like that.
Yeah, I did. This one pulled hard.
No, it was reeling and something was very heavy.
Yeah, Nikita's lining it up there. It's okay. It's okay. I got it, yeah. Yo. Xana, mommy's killing us here. Here you go, guys. Ooh, Xana got one. I hope your drag is open a bit, Xander. Xana got a good one, yeah? Oh, that's a nice one. I haven't heard the hook step there. What? Did you change the lure? Which worm? Oh, fighting. I see that thing, man. Not so big. I thought it was huge. Hey, nice one.
Yeah, nice.
Nice size one. Let me take a picture for you. Hey, thick this all is. Hold on a second.
Take out the flash.
Oh, no. Wait, hold on. Ah, there we go. Okay, look here. Smile. I'll tell you when. One more time. Right.
Took out the flash.
You won't need to take one with the flash. I'll show you why.
It's like swallowed it. Wait, can I have a picture of the fish?
Come on.
Hi, what a nice one.
See?
Alright.
Right.
No, now I need a torch to take out the this.
Wait, let me take one. You take
Hold
one.
it like that. Don't feel.
You're right. It felt like I was stuck and I just hit it.
Nikita's on there, guys. Hey, Nikita, you're too good. Nice one. Not so fat like the last week one.
You hold the fish and that's not
What is this one? Come next to me, love.
Yeah, must be the one we got last week.
I had 2 bites.
Good.
bites. I didn't even make it.
So release it back. Nikita is killing them. There's something you're obviously doing very right. Second one.
Same guy.
Huh?
We did it very slow and jerk.
No, different one.
It comes stand next to me.
Can someone please
Take a picture for her.
Another one.
You don't have, you casting further than mommy. There's nobody needs to cast for you.
Mommy just got that luck.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh no, it's
You
smaller.
are saying it to my frame.
It's fine.
It's fine. It's just a
He
bad.
just wants to take a picture.
Ah, the sea is the same one. No, it's just kind of smaller.
Don't be the same one. Don't. Let's throw this one back. Hey, Alexander caught another one there, guys. They're coming out, not huge ones. But Nikita caught 2, she missed 1, and then Alexander caught another one. Not sure if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. Yeah, hopefully we'll have some footage of some big ones. Yeah, Nikita is on, Atalia is on there. You guys can see what's happening there. Very strange. Oh, there we go. Just gonna say it's not jumping. There we go. Maybe I'm in the wrong spot. Just decided to take a throw here. But yeah, it seems like they're catching it. So it also seems like they're coming like waves. Couple of minutes, it's nothing, and then all of a sudden 3, 4, 3, 4. Yeah, there's a lot of young bass there. Hopefully the one monster is around there somewhere. That one's a nice one. nice one, that.
Yeah, the monkey.
I think that rod is special.
Yeah, I wrapped
You
it.
want to use it? He took my loot.
I wrapped it on the rod
His rod
and I
and
hooked
he
one.
cut it. You want to use mine?
Hey, Nikita has got something special there. I don't know what it is. Only she's catching. Hey, I thought that thing was bigger than what it is. Not bad size. What like this, Alexander?
Hey, I don't know.
Has he give you the next part?
No. Alright, put it back, Xander. Put it back. Put it back nicely in the water.
I lost it.
Hi, I retire and I'm becoming a
There you go, guys. Managed to finally get one. And it's a nice one too. There you go, guys. This is a nice one. This is about 1.5 kg, I think.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Wait, this thing is about to die. There we go. Bye. It is like 1.5 kg.
At least 1.5 kilos.
Hey, leave my
Hey guys, there's the nice size one.
Hi, put away.
Let's put it back in here. There it goes. Oh, not a bad one.
Yeah.
Nice thick one. Like last week, they're thick like that. There's a money one.
Yeah.
Then Talia sideways. You took sideways.
Yes. All I want is one.
See.
Maybe you need to change that off.
Okay, there you go, guys. Got one on there. Slowly, slowly. That wheel. Keep it out this way. Bring it this side. There we go. Another one. I'll take a photo for you. Something was weird there. Huh? No. Oh no. Because of this case or what? Do I open? Yeah. Hold on 1 second. Wait, hold on. This thing is irritating. Sorry.
Sorry,
There's night mode here. The moon. Night mood. Night mood. Right. Smile. Let's take one more like this. My phone will do the rest, don't worry.
I still technically I still didn't catch that. If something took my rod, it would have been gone by now.
Yeah.
And it was just sitting there. I was happy to have that.
What are you having, Zando?
The light was straight over.
Oh, nice, huh?
I didn't expect anything to take because I was standing there with the rod just lying in the water.
There is on.
I like your rod. Leave the picture.
Your rod is on.
Leave the picture.
No, it's not.
Huh?
Stuck.
Toes on it. She had to put that board on. It's too black. Do out the picture.
I just take the picture, man.
Yeah, while somebody's lights on. What's this doing now? Hold on, it's capturing.
Yeah.
Are you blinked?
Take it out, Zanda. Oh, hold it, let me tell mommy.
Yeah, it's alright. I think it's on.
No. I don't know what is going on. What is happening? Hold it.
I think I lost my other lure.
Oh. Thank you.
Let's put this one back. Gone.
There we go, guys. I don't know if y'all can see it, but in the distance, Dad finally managed to get one. Right on the end that side. Nice small bass. Hopefully we can get a few more today. Dad's on with another bass here. Small guy. Well done. There you go, guys. Dad's on with a big bass here. Don't know if we need this, but yeah, we'll try and land it. Nice size bass though. I don't think we need this. Ooh. What a nice size one. Hey, finally on that one.
This rig, and I was just dragging it slowly and coming.
What a beautiful bass.
It's a nice one.
There you go, guys. Dad's on again. He's on a roll today. Just catching all the bass. Fighting like it's a big, big one. It's not a bad size. Decent size. Nice one.
This is one. Yeah, this one is going back.
I'm gonna put this guy back.
This one is fat. You see how fat?
Yeah.
You see the difference?
There it goes. Okay, guys, that ends our trip. Caught quite a few bass. Dad caught 2.1 kg one. We got I think it was 3 bites from the carp, but yeah, that was about it. Not bad for, what was it, this thing, about 3-4 hours of fishing, so it wasn't bad. Look forward to you guys comments about how we can improve our fishing techniques and skills. I hope you guys catch fish if you do decide to come here. We at Bonaccord, and all the best of luck, guys. Catch you in the next video. Until next time, cheers, bye.
Open. Use the rod. Don't rush it. Mustn't pull straight, love. Must use a rod backbone, yeah.
Right.
Well done.
Don't worry.
Did you video that?
Can I hold it?
Some of it.
Taking a picture?
Take a picture. Yeah.
I don't have a phone.
Keep on fishing there.
Terry's whole rod disassembled.
Nice one. So guys, got a nice one here. Another nice one. This guy actually was playing with me for a while. But this is a female, definitely. Ooh. Guys, I don't know if you've noticed, but recently Aberfoyle bass teeth are crazy sharp. So yeah, this is definitely a female that's in lay. So we're not going to keep this one for sure. I'm just gonna show the family. We're definitely not gonna keep this one. You can see the stomach is still quite full. Sarah, come take a picture. So that was on the green pumpkin lure. I'm just gonna take a picture quickly, guys, and then I'm gonna put it back. It's a nice one. Yeah, I'd say about 2 kgs as well. You see the stomach difference, Xander? You see the stomach? Yeah. It's fat.
That is the one now.
Yeah, this is 1.5.
Right.
This is nice. Yeah. Okay, let's release it now. It should swim off nice and strong. There we go, it's gone. Okay. Been having some good success at Bonaccord. So yeah, we'll catch up just now. Guys, we've hit another one here. Another nice one. It's the one I just missed just now. That's a nice one, guys. How's that one? Another nice 1.5 kilo one. Good fishing in Albert Falls. Okay. Then you reel. And you're gonna bring it here. Stand there where you are. Keep your rod up. Yeah. It's fine. Yeah. Pull it a bit. Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. The drag is set. It's fine. Guys, Talia is on here with a nice one. Pull it towards you. Yeah. Now, wait. Don't force it. Yeah, now. Now pull it up now. There we go. There's another nice one, guys. How's that fight? Huh?
I can't touch.
Huh?
I can't touch.
Ah! Bit me! Let me see if I
I'm
can
not
take a
gonna
picture.
touch it.
That's fine.
Look at my hair, it's so bad.
Okay. Go back a little bit. Hold on. Right. This is another nice one. Okay, this one we're gonna put back. Okay. Is it gone, guys? Nice one. Yeah, carry on. Don't force it. When it wants to run, let it run. Yeah, it's fine. Fine, reel it this way. Yeah, it's fine. Just bring it this way. Talia's on, guys. Herself. And another one. Fine, let the rod do the work. You position it so when it comes close, then you can just bring it. Yeah, carry on. Pull it a bit. Ooh. There we go. That's another nice one. This one Talia caught all by herself. Well done, Talia. There, Talia is on again, guys. Yeah. See, she got the technique right now. But see where you're going to land it, Talia, might be flat. Oh, it's a small one, that. Yeah. Nice one, Talia.